One, two, three, four. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Mark Knopfler, Money for Nothing, the intro lick for this awesome, great song. And this is for advanced players, not for beginners at all. So I'm just gonna play it, and I'm gonna do it slow so you guys just can watch and kind of see what I'm doing. It's hard to explain every single move here. So song is in G, so 5 and 7 on the G string, and we're mostly gonna be using the D and the G string, a little bit of the B, a little bit of the A, but mostly D and G. Starts like this. End up on an F major. Back to this one. Pull on and then F. Back to bar. And then power chord, and then the second part is open, 3 open, 3 5 5 3. So it's all about the rhythm for this one. And then the second time around he goes a little harmonic there on the D string, 5th fret, and then this is the only difference. Instead of going, we go. So that's a full G right there. And we end with A and D string, 3 5. Yeah, that's cool. It's he's using of course electric guitar and picking it with his fingers, and also it sounds like a crybaby that he's not moving, but it's on, like in the middle somewhere. Okay, there you go, guys. Hope this helped. If you need to learn this lick, I'll see you tomorrow with more cool songs. Be safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.